Hello friends, this is DragoNate with my friend Rocky here. Welcome back to another DragoNate Draws from Instructions. Do you remember in the last video, did we actually ask people to give a vote on who should get the point for this drawing? Because I forget if we did that and I didn't write down points.
I don't believe we said to vote. I can't 100% remember. I'm pretty sure you would have gotten the point because besides the head, the rest is pretty good.
Yeah, the head I'm not too happy with, and I mean the arm, I guess, in the real picture his arm was kind of behind. But that's okay. Currently I have 4 points, Rocky has 1 point, so pointing at the camera, you guys, let us know in the comments down that way, that something. Who should get the point based on this drawing here? Me or Rocky? We're moving on to our next one. So what are the topics for today?
Star Wars.
Oh, Star Wars. Ooh.
Lilo and Stitch.
Oh my god, Lilo and Stitch. I love Lilo and Stitch. Oh.
Our very first topip that no one got to see, Harry Potter.
Is this one, are you just going to basically repeat the flipping, not you. This one? Just gonna repeat that
it's completely different.
Oh, okay. Well, I signed this one and everything. It's pretty. Let's get a little bit of shadow so you can actually see it. It's blurred. Never mind. Well, at least you can read everything.
For the most part, again.
Well, aside from my terrible writing.
The good thing is your writing hasn't changed in the, 12, 13 years I've known you.
The good thing? Is that a good thing now?
Well, it means you're consistent.
I screamed like a girl when I heard Lilo and Stitch, so let's do that one.
Lilo and Stitch?
Yeah. There we go. Ready.
Draw 2 circles at the top of the page.
Kind of about here.
Yeah, about the size of a small orange.
Okay, I think. I mean, it's not quite a nice circle. Opposite sides are like attached together.
Opposite sides. A little bit closer though.
Oh darn it. Two circles. Okay, well, I know what it is. Two little orange-sized circles on screen. I know what it is. That is not a circle. You can clearly see that is some weird blob thing.
It's a unique experiment. Just below that, draw another circle, about a finger section's length below the 2 circles that you've already drawn.
Same size circle? Smaller? Bigger?
No, bigger.
Oh, bigger. Okay, so... Blah.
Yeah. Okay.
What was that music from? I don't know why that's stuck in my mind right now. Is that Indiana Jones?
I couldn't tell why you're humming.
I lost it now. I have no clue. Ignore that.
You remember a lot of the experiments from Lilo and Stitch?
I don't remember numbers or anything, and I remember a few of them. I forget which one Stitch was, but wasn't Stitch supposedly the last one, at least up until a certain episode?
You made a 627! Ha!
He was the last experiment, wasn't he?
Yes.
I forget what number he was though. 601? 606? 626.
Connect the head to the other circles with about a finger's width line. Yeah. Yep, pretty much.
Pleakly! Nah.
I actually don't remember what Pleakly looks like.
No? He has the single eye.
Oh yeah, and then he has the little antenna. Now erase the lines where the circles meet the attachment.
Oh, like right here.
Yeah.
And then here.
Yeah.
I'm like, erase the lines where they meet? Well, wouldn't that be like erasing the... What are you talking about? I just drew those. Now you want me to erase them?
You know what like a seed looks like? You know, strawberry seeds, the long kind of oval shape.
Also very tiny?
Yes, but this is going to be the entire length of the circle. Up and down.
Oh.
In the middle. Directly in the middle. Not all the way down, sorry. Leave about 1/3 space.
From the top down to about here?
1/3.
I am probably not going to guess who this is, by the way.
What makes you think that?
Because I can't remember any of the names. I remember Pleakly, Lilo, and Stitch. I don't even remember what the villain was.
Oh, Gantu.
That's his name?
Yep.
I would not have guessed that. Okay. There you go.
And kind of just circle it off at the top. Your circle drawing has gotten better these last few weeks.
Has it? This is not a circle. That is not a circle. This is slightly more circular than these two.
But if you look at your previous drawings, your circles were a lot worse.
I guess that
So-
is true. I mean, if we... Okay, well, actually, this one wasn't too bad. Glalie wasn't too bad. That one... Special. This one was really good. That circle was actually really good. You can see by the thing.
The mouth. Draw a small line from the bottom of the seed shape thing. Draw literally a giant smile at the bottom of 1/3 of the circle.
So just like a big giant...
Yeah, exactly like that. And then draw a little line coming down from the bottom of the
From here.
thing in the middle of it.
Down to it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh geez, it looks interesting. I was trying to think where or why the drawing so far looks kind of familiar to me, and it's from Beyond Good and Evil, the first real boss you actually fight, Toleromax or whatever it is, two-headed worm thing that Mr. Castellanos, or whatever his name is, wanted... De Castellac. He wanted a picture of them.
Alright, now on the side of the circle, you know how cats have like a little bit of fur that comes down, like kind of like a mane? Nothing on the bottom half of the circle, just on the sides, coming down a bit, just do a little bit like tufts of hair. Just like a triangle shape, and then kind of hair it up from about
Right here?
a little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower.
There?
Right there. Yeah.
And how far down should it go?
Just a little bit below the neck line. So yeah, right about
So
there.
just a little bit lower than that.
And then kind of poof it out sideways.
Yeah, this is not looking at all familiar to me. Do I attach them together at the bottom, by the way?
Yes.
Yes. So just with a straight line, or kind of a wavy, or randomized, or
A little bit of a curve down.
So just kind of like this, eh?
Yeah. But by the way, you're just drawing the head of the experiment.
Okay. You said something about kind of like add tufts of hair or whatever. So just kind of like, you know, like
Yeah,
move it out
kinda.
like that kind of thing.
Yeah, kind of like little lines make it look like actual hair.
Oh, so this whole thing is like actual hair.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Well, I will bring some hair out then first, and then I'll just kind of go and add a little bit like hairline. Oh, geez, it's gonna look terrible at the bottom here. I mean, over here it looks all right because I could just kind of like follow the lines that I've already drawn, and just kind of extend them a little bit, so it looks, you know, okay. But down at the bottom, like it's coming directly perpendicular. It looks horrid. Just kind of erase the bottom of this so that it doesn't look so out of place. So that it looks a little more realistic and it doesn't look like it's got some line kind of sticking out at it, you know. So how much do you remember from Lilo and Stitch?
I remember the overall storyline.
I just remember their whole job was to constantly find all these experiments roaming everywhere. Just add
Yeah.
water.
Yep. I remember a few of the experiments. I remember Stitch's brother that liked to make sandwiches.
Oh, Stitch is... Sorry, for some reason I was thinking Lilo. Now I remember.
The eyes are shaped somewhat like the middle of the head, like the little thing in the middle of the head.
Mm-hmm.
Except they're a little bit more defined as... Their points are a little more defined, I guess. So one
So-
on each side, kind of slanted.
Feel like there should be something else more to do with this though, because I don't think the eye is gonna like. Am I gonna take
The
up
eyes
the entire
aren't-
thing?
Eyes are next to the thing in the middle. The nose.
Oh,
I
these
guess.
aren't eyes.
No.
Oh.
So
okay.
they come off the head a little bit. Where the eyes pop off, you have to draw little bit circles like how you do eyebrows kind of off the body. Draw the eyes first, and then just at the very end, kind of socket it.
Okay, I'll try. So something kind of. We bring this over here, just kind of like that.
Yeah, and then a little bit longer on onto the face.
I think I'm starting to kind of remember this creature. Yeah, I don't know a name, that's for sure. I should get rid of the lines in between here. Yeah, this one's a little bit bulgy. So then you said like the little eyebrow thing, so like a little curved thing that kind of comes off of it,
Yeah, kind of
kinda
like
like-
eyelid, eyebrow kind of thing.
but just kind of floating there.
No, they attach to the body.
Oh, to like here.
Yeah.
Ah.
And then
Okay.
just erase the lines that separate them. And the eyes are completely black.
I don't know, so circle it in a little bit.
Or diagonal works really well as well.
I could do the cross-hatching technique again too, but meh.
On the nose itself, do lines creating bars going sideways, and then a line 1/4 below that line, so 4 in total.
So just 4 lines, so kind of just like straight lines across.
So 2 lines together creating a bar, and then 4 bars.
Ah.
And now the ears.
That's these things.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how the inside of like the speaker part of the speakers looks like the round shape, and then the inner part, the inner round shape, and then it creates that concave effect looking kind of, I guess. So 1 for each ear. Try to make it like a circle within a circle within a circle, actually.
So how many circle within circles?
2 circles. Yeah. And those 2 circles very, very close to each other, creating like an outer rim. Now in the very center, a small circle.
Boop. It's like that?
Yeah. And now draw lines going out to the outer circles, about 3 of them, 1 going from each side, and then 1 kind of going down an angle.
Okay, and just like straight lines.
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Alright, you have your head of the experiment.
Yeah, no clue. Yep.
I'm gonna give you 3 choices. Experiment 333,
Okay.
Experiment 258, or Experiment 611.
Okay. I literally have no way of determining which one of those it is.
I'm just giving you 3 options. You can take a wild guess.
Oh god. Okay, Google, help me out here. Should I do one of those stupid like Illuminati math? Oh, it's got 2 ears, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. That's 6. We got 6 here. It's also got 1 nose and 1 hairpiece. It's 611. There you go. I don't know. 611 is the guess that it is the first idea that came to me, I guess.
All right, before you lock in your final answer, I'll give you the name of it, and maybe it'll help.
Okay.
The name of the experiment is named Sample. So you get to decide if it's still 611, 333, or 258.
Okay, time for some more math. What number of the alphabet is S? T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's 7. Shoot. Okay, well that makes it 19 and 1. 13. P would be 15. L would be 14, and E is 4. No, 5, sorry. 19 plus 1 equals 20. 13 and 15, that equals 28. Oh, it's looking like this one so far, 258. Okay. We got 14 and 5, that makes 19. So we got 20, 28, and 19. If you carry the 6 and subtract by 7 and throw a bunch of crap answers out onto the page, it comes out to 180. That's none of the answers here. 740. Oh, look, is that 740 is very close to 611. I'll say 611.
So your final answer is 611?
Yes, both my math works.
Unfortunately, you are wrong.
No, I'm not. I'm correct.
It is experiment 258. Its primary function was to mimic sounds and annoy people.
Well, I knew it has something to do with sound. Sample 611.
I would say this week was pretty good.
But my math was wrong. Oh wait, no. See, if we do it, see, it actually comes out to 258. I did the rest of the. I made a mistake in there somewhere. This. See?
The math is always right. Was the hashtag math is always right?
Oh, yes, please. Right, that way. This is the right side. Okay, well, there you go, guys. I'm pretty happy with this, with the drawing itself. I have no clue about the characters, so I guess that gives you, still 1 point, and I now have 5 points.
I think your math is wrong there.
What does this say? Hashtag math is always right.
That math is wrong. Next week we'll find out who gets the Snorlax point.
Yes, please. Who gets it? I'm pretty happy with the drawing itself. No clue who it is. Let us know in the comments below if you know anything about Lilo and Stitch or remember anything about Lilo and Stitch. Let us know specifically if you remember sample 611. at all. It's definitely totally that one. Let us also know in the comments below any other ideas, suggestions for future drawing topics. But those are all still suggested. Those are all still there. There's no room to write them on here.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Absolutely. And you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and God bless.
Have a good night.